If you've ever made a compound clip in DaVinci Resolve and then realized you need to undo it, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unpack a compound clip in DaVinci Resolve 20 and bring your original clips back onto the timeline. This is super useful when you want to edit individual clips again, fix timing, remove grouping, or simply get back to the original layers you had before combining everything into one container. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tips just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the timeline where your compound clip is located. A compound clip appears as one single bar on the timeline, even though it may contain multiple video and audio clips inside it. Look for the compound clip you want to separate. Make sure it's the correct one before you continue, especially if your timeline has several grouped sections. Once you've found it, move your mouse over the compound clip and right-click it to open the context menu. This menu gives you a bunch of editing options, and the one we need is called Decompose in Place. Go ahead and select Decompose in Place from the list. This is the command that essentially undoes the compound clip structure and returns the internal clips back to the timeline. After clicking that, you'll usually see a submenu with different options. If you want the raw clips back without nested effects, transitions, or extra processing, choose Using Clips Only. This is the best option when your goal is to restore the original individual media files as cleanly as possible. If you select this, Resolve will unpack the compound clip and place the original video and audio elements back into the timeline exactly where they came from. Now watch closely as the single container bar disappears. In its place, you'll see the original stack of video and audio tracks reappear, just like before the compound clip was created. That means the clip has been decomposed successfully, and you can now edit each piece separately again. You can trim, move, delete, or adjust every layer individually without being locked into the compound clip anymore. This is really helpful if you accidentally combined clips too early, or if you want to make a quick change without rebuilding everything from scratch. And that's really all there is to it. To undo a compound clip in DaVinci Resolve, just locate the compound clip, right-click it, choose Decompose in Place, and then select Using Clips Only. In just a few clicks, you've unpacked the compound clip and recovered your original timeline structure. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.